All right, I'm finally doing a little bit of garden. I'm finally doing a little bit of cleaning in the garden. So I decided to clear this out tonight. This is where the cucumbers were. And I was looking on here for fruit to see if there was any evidence of fruit. There isn't any, besides the two that I got from two different plants. Remember, there were 3 cucumbers in there. Anyway, I noticed that Yellow Door Gardener did a video about vine borers, and she showed what it looks like. And I think I just saw that. Here. I think that's evidence of a vine borer, and maybe that's part of why these plants didn't do very well, because I planted them very early, and they seemed okay for a little while, but then they just kind of stagnated. And I haven't seen any female flowers in a while. And like I said, I only had two cucumbers, one yellow and one, I think it was one yellow, or one lemon, and one what I think was a pickling cucumber. So those were 2 of the types that I planted, and those were the only 2 cucumbers, and they were not in the best condition. And then these plants didn't produce anything else. So I'm glad I'm clearing this out, and I'm definitely not keeping the soil. I don't know what to do with it. I may put it in one of my compost bins, since I don't plan to actually use that soil that's in there for years. So I think even if something's in here, after 2-3 years, it should be dead. All right, anyways, I just wanted to share that, or include that. I don't know if I'll do this as a separate video or just insert it in something else. Although I'm not going to do much else tonight, I don't think, because it's after 8 p.m. I always come out, when it kind of sort of cools down. I think our high temp today was 105 or 103, somewhere up in there. And for the next few days, it's going to be in that range. Anyway, it's still very hot. I think it's like 95, 96, and I'm totally in the shade because it's after 8 p.m., but it is still extremely hot to be out here. But that's why I wait so late to come out, just to try to be safer. Oh, I'm looking. There is. So there was a female flower at some point, but I don't think it got pollinated, or it just was an unhealthy plant. Because, again, probably because of this. There probably were a bunch of them. I think Yellow Door Gardener had like 3 of them, or what looked like 3 areas where there were vine borers, and just in a cluster. Anyway, else, thanks for watching. Oh, and I am definitely putting these plants in the trash. All right, thanks for watching.